Is the red blinking?
No. Oh, a little bit.
Yeah, yeah.
Like kind of check with a low poly.
Like the CS 1.2? Yeah, or 1.5.
I think I'm going right.
Going right.
Yeah, I
I'll
think
go.
so.
I'll go right as well.
We'll go right, let's push right.
What is it? We're gonna push right.
Okay, ready? Let's go. Continue. Be careful, there is one. 12 o'clock. Oh shit! I'm Bruce. You scared me! Fuck! Shit, out! Hit the... Oh, so tiring. Fun.
Did you get any kills?
It's pretty heavy, yeah.
Make it tight. Or
I don't. Mine is not a tight cap. It's a.
Take mine. Is it tight enough?
Yeah.
Should I make more tight?
I think it's fine. Wait.
I think it will fall.
Okay.
I think this is the last one. Go.
Okay. Is it okay now?
Yeah. Yeah, it's okay.
Should we actually just go in and smoke
Yeah. Oh, you want to go now? I'm so tired. Let's just
You ready?
Yeah. I've lost my phone.
What?
So,
Actually?
Yeah. I think I dropped it.
Why'd you have your phone in your pocket anyway?
I don't even remember. It was.
Well, I mean, hopefully. Did you tell the staff?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they start from here, right? On the very edge, right? And we start here. That means we can get to the extreme left corner faster than them.
Okay.
You want to try that?
Sure. Yeah.
I'll do it. That's my assumption. I don't know if it's gonna. It'll either fail.
I have a camera, so I can't run too fast.
Okay.
So it'll fall off. But I'll follow as much as possible. As closely as possible.
No, actually, no. Because I was wrong. I think they can reach that faster than us.
What's the plan then?
We go in it. We do it anyway.
Fucking one life though, right?
Yeah, man. YOLO.
Not a good one.
Or we but I think
Well, we're doing bad enough already. So.
right?
どこからなんですか？
Alright, Bangladesh.
Bara bara.
Bara bara. So.
I think the teams are not exactly working
They're,
out
they're
very
way better.
fairly, are
They're way better.
I'll run that way.
They've been like
Ricky,
they?
we'll go this way or that way?
They've got, oh, they're over there.
Let's follow that guy.
Oh, hit!
Oh, got him. Clear. All right. Okay. Tura, I think we can push soon. Come in, cover.
This is empty. This is empty. Let's go.
Hit the, get him. Got him, got him. I got another one, 4-0. Ricky, it's my 12. Ricky, are you ready? Push. A little, slowly. Yep. I think I see one here, so I just want to... Can you come towards this side? Or... Wait. 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 Yep, cover a bit. Where? Okay. Got him. 5. Oh. I think we can push. Ricky, ready to push? Remember, we. All right. Got it. Covering. All right, stand still. I'll move. Ready to cover? Me neither. It's just a camera guy right now. All right, let's move.
Get down. Your eyes on that guy?
Ricky, it's my 12.
12?
Yeah.
Let's dodge him.
All right. Okay, push forward. I cover. Cover. Oh, one behind. One behind. Ricky, one will be behind you, so.
You see anybody?
I saw one person pass there.
Saw him. He's aiming at us.
Got him. Got the one for Yuki.
He's still there.
6. Right.
This side?
Yeah. Cover. I'll try and flank.
Be careful, this one.
Oh, I saw one. Got another one. Yep.
And just this only.
Okay. I think we can push. I cover. I'm covering. Cover. It's just coming from 12 o'clock. Right ahead. Ricky. Ricky. Stop. Stop. Oh, di na. got like 7 kills this time. I got really good footage because I killed like
Wow.
7 maybe.
Cool.